slicer and the Cura. This is the 2200 kV motor jet nozzle, and I've given it 3 top, 3 bottom, 3 wall perimeters because again it's fairly heavy duty, and yeah, giving it a brim. Just make sure it gets onto the build plate, this one. So that one is ready to go, being printed. Meanwhile on Cura, I'm getting this one ready. This is the hood with the fins, so you make sure you lie it flat on the bed from where the fins are at the bottom. You may have to rotate it around a bit, then tell it to lay flat, and then double check underneath that it's got a nice, let's have a prepare here. There you can see the red, so you can see it is actually flat on the bottom. And I think that's the best way to get that part printed out. Rather, you wouldn't want to print it horizontal. So either give it 3 or 5 top layers, because that's where this little lug is going to plug into the front, and then you're going to put a seal around there. I'll probably make a TPU seal, as I haven't got any rubber, to form the bead against the hull, the main hull. And that's a 6R21, so it's pretty heavy duty, 2 walls. It's using 10% infill, which, if I just show you the infill, you can see it'll need a bit of infill because it needs to be a little bit sturdy. The 2 walls will give it a fair bit of strength, but it wouldn't do any harm just to give it a bit of infill. You might get away with no infill whatsoever with 2 walls and it's still being strong enough. But I think that'll give it that bit of triangulation inside will give it a bit of rigidity. And yeah, it should print out okay. So those 2 bits are ready to go. All right, catch you later.